Then maybe on day 3, we're gonna go explore since today is sorry, it got caught. Now Sir P here told me that there's a beach here nearby. Am I right, Sir P? So it's only like when we walk from here to what's up mga it's your BFF, FRNKE Frankie. Back again with another video for our vlog number 6, day 2 in Thailand. But before that, intro, pasok. Let's go. Hi guys, so it's already 9:25 in the morning here in Thailand. Since in the Philippines, it's already 10:25. We're gonna go to Aquaburst Pattaya right now. I'm just waiting for Kuya and Papa. Now, we're gonna do a shoot there or some videos, some photo ops. And after that, we're gonna go swimming. Why did we go here? To have a vacation, to have us to swim. Sorry for my hair because I like the haircut but mommy doesn't. So yeah, we're gonna go there and have fun. So we're gonna try some slides, the go-karts, bumper cars, the mini golf. And then all the slides, the wave pool, the surf's up, all the amenities there. We're gonna try it. So I'm just waiting for the grab. I'm just waiting for Kuya, Papa to go downstairs para, we can go explore na. By the way, here we're staying at the Sandalor Boutique Hotel. So the resort is only 2 kilometers away. Right, sir? The resort is only 2 kilometers away, then there's a 5-minute walk for the beach here. And there's also a pool here in our hotel, so let's go. But we're gonna go have a tour. Let's go. Where did I shoot my intro? Here in the lobby. So here is our lobby. Sandalor Boutique Hotel, and we're here at Pattaya. So we're gonna be greeted by the staffs here. One of them is Sir P. Now here is where we had our breakfast. We're at the dining area where there's a lot. There's one of their staff. Sorry ha. Oh, hello sir. So there's a lot of people here at the moment. So now we're at the first floor. Then we're gonna go to near the pool. So when you first came here, I thought, oh, there's no people in here. There are no people. There are no walang tao. Then we were shocked earlier na there's a lot of people here because they are all at the first floor. So now we're gonna go to the pool area. The pool here is saltwater pool, I think. Seawater pool. So yeah, still fresh. Here's the pool. Maybe may look like shallow, but it's not. It's a little deep. Pababa siya, guys. So here in the hotel, there's a large parking area. And I think that's the staff's room or the when you have events, I think. So yeah. This one is a secluded place, so hindi mo siya tago. It's hidden somewhere between Pattaya. Gonna guess where. So when you first enter here, you will be greeted by their staffs, their hospitable staff, their great staff. So they're really connected with nature here, okay? Because they're surrounded by greeneries. And then here is outside. Before you enter the hotel, you will see this. This is a trailer cafe. So a cafe. Then you will see their logo right there. There. $100 Beach Hotel. Hotel. Boutique hotel, actually. Then you will be. Then when you go inside here, here's the lobby. So one of their staffs here is Sir P. Well, he's hospitable, so he's approachable. Then, oops, sorry, it got caught. Now Sir P here told me that there's a beach here nearby. Am I right, Sir P? So it's only like when we walk from here to there, how many minutes will we?
It's about 15 minutes.
Oh, 15 minutes walk. So it's either 1.5 kilometers, I think. So, or maybe not. Miles. We don't know. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Kuya for the Grab, and it's already 9:29, 9:30 or 9:45. The Grab will be here. So yeah, let's go wait for them. Hindi kami nagpunta ng Grab. Mismo ko lang may pictures. Ako first Pattaya. Nagsundo sa amin sa hotel. So, ayun. Excited na ako, guys. Siyempre excited na ako. Ito pa lang yung driver ko. So, baka mamaya na ako magsusot ng mismong swimming wear ko. Siyempre ako yan. Kailangan maganda yung suot. Diba? So, yun lang. Bye. Fuck. Hi guys, so we're here at the Aquaverse right now. So the first activity that we're going to do is the go-karts or the Gran Turismo themed na attraction. So they just registered, so waiting na lang ako kay Daddy, Kuya Mark at kay Kuya Egoy naman tapos mag-register. And yeah, sana maganda, sana I win. I hope I win. They have a nice course here. So yun lang. I won't be videoing anything, so baka mamaya ipopost rin kami sa page ng Aquaverse Pattaya, but we'll see. Let's go. Hi guys, so we're done doing the go-karts. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the bumper cars. So I haven't had a video for the go-kart since bawal, or you're not allowed to have a video at the go-kart since you're riding it. You cannot get. Kuya Mark, we have water here. And yeah, it's tiring. Sir, kamusta po? Sir, how was the go-kart?
Bigyan mo yung isa kay ano, Chia.
First place, second place, third,
Bigyan mo siya ng isa. Okay, bigyan mo yung isang bote kay Chia.
then Kuya Mark sa last place.
Bigyan mo sa water muna. Ayun isa.
Here.
Give it to one of them. I'm gonna use my water.
So yeah, keep hydrated guys. Sir Chia,
Oh, thank you.
welcome. Let's go! Next is the bumper cars. Yay!
Where's your water bag?
Wait nyo lang kami guys. And
Tubig niya. Yung...
it's at my bag. Let's go! We're at the Cabana. So VIP treatment talaga. Let's go! Hi guys, so tapos kami mag-bumper cars. Mamaya ko na napapasangkin ko yung video kung ano nangyari. Tapos, we're gonna go swimming na!
I don't know.
Okay! Okay! You're so overacting,
The
babe.
blue one is mine.
Now, we're gonna go swimming na.
Ito na lang instead of the...
Here's the outfit. Here.
Then ano,
Sexy ka ba?
my brush guard please.
Okay. Let's go! Hi! So, yeah. Sorry I haven't vlogged a while because na-busy ako sa mga attractions. I was busy with the attractions and the free food. Yes! Being the VIP here is everything will be free. So they're starting a show, Ghostbusters here. And there are some Pinoy staffs here. Ate Joanne, Ate Nina, and a lot of Pinoy stuffs. Now, I think I forgot something, the sunglasses, but that's okay. Now, sorry if I haven't video for a while, but look, I'm freaking wet. Like wettest of the wet wets. Huh? You'll get it. Now, I'm just going to enjoy the free foods here since I'm freaking hungry again, even though I just ate something. So yeah, let's go. You will enjoy everything here. Actually, from Hotel Transylvania, all the Columbia Pictures animations are here. Hotel Transylvania, Emoji Movie, what do you call this? Ghostbusters, Bad Blood. I think that's called Bad Blood. What? And a lot of movies. Sorry. Daming pogi dito, bis. There's a lot of... Sir? Sir? I'm just going to get my sunglasses. My glass. I think I forgot it here. Kapon kap. So, yeah. Is pogi ko, be. We're just going to buy some foods. Actually, get some food. Since food here for VIPs are free. So, yeah. What do we want to get? I don't know. But do I enjoy this experience? Yes, certainly I do. So guys, don't forget, please like and subscribe to my channel. For the love of God, please like and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, yeah, right. Twitter, Facebook, any social media platform that you know. Twitch, follow me there. Okay guys, I'll see you later. Woo! There are a lot of foreigners here, and some are Pinoys. Just out there. Joke. Bleep that out, please. Bleep that out. I'm just going to watch a show. So yeah, let's go.
มุมนู้นก็ได้ฮะ มุมนี้มันด้านหลังก็ได้อยู่มุมนี้มันด้านหลังใช่
ascended, so we're gonna go try the surfing one again. So I think my 10th time being here. So yeah. Let's go. Hi guys. So yun. Kuya's doing an interview na papasenda lang namin yung videos. All the videos will be sent through us. Now, after that, let's wrap, I think. Then maybe on day 3, we're gonna go explore. Since today is Friday. Let's go. We're gonna have our dinner na. We have pizza, wings with fries, chicken poppers with fries, onion rings, french fries and nuggets, burgers, then what's the other one?
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Even though I already ate a lot of things here. And there's gonna be a show. Let's go. Hi guys. We're gonna go home now. So yeah, I enjoyed it. And we're gonna watch the sunset at the beach. So yeah. Bye bye. Let's go na. Bye bye. We're gonna go home na. Bye bye. Bye. Just got home. So hindi naman ako swimming. So okay lang ako sa swimming kanina. So I'm swimming here. So yun. Abang naka-live to, ila-live ko to sa FB. So yun lang. Bukas ulit for day 3. Let's go. So I'm here by the pool ulit. Solo ko na, as in solo. So you know. So I'm so happy to be here in Thailand. Can't believe that one of my bucket lists came true. And the good thing about Thailand is all of the people here are very hospitable, very approachable, so there's no problem with that. And also guys, I really like here in Thailand. I hope maulit. Sana may mga opportunities ulit para maulit to. And yeah, let's pray to God na maulit lahat to. No? So yeah. Tomorrow, magbe-beach kami. Kapag yung day 3, marami kami activities for day 3. Yun lang. Goodbye. Would also like to announce the one lucky supporter or one lucky subscriber. Makakuha ng secret. Hindi. Papag-giveaways tayo. At least one subscriber lang makakuha. Emi lang. Makakuha ng kiss mula sa akin. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Ayun lang. So, done everything. And then yun lang sa Colombia pictures sa cover soon. Mga posts nila about our journey. Yun. Edit ko lang ito. Post ko kaagad sa YouTube dahil ayun naman gusto nyo. Lagi kayong updated. Ayun. Once again, this is your BFF, FRANKA. Goodbye.